Welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. My name is Megan Frost, and I'm excited to share with you today the 2020 Avalon TRD. This is the first year Toyota Racing Development has given us a package for the Avalon, and it is only available on our XSE trim level. We have other trim levels as well as hybrid, and if you stick around towards the end of the video, we'll take a look at the Avalon Limited. Let's take a look at the front here. We have the aggressive styling, which is also functional, with the side air scoop here, also the front splitter in the front. That helps with the downforce of the front of the Avalon. This Avalon is about almost a full inch lower to the ground than our other trim levels. We also have Toyota Safety Sense, and that's for all of our Toyota models, no matter which one you buy. We've got the sensors there in the front emblem, and we also have sensors in the windshield as well. That's going to help with automatic braking, pedestrian detection, radar, cruise control, and we can go over all those safety features when you pop in and take a test drive. We've also got a 3.5 liter V6 engine in here with 301 horsepower. That is standard on all of our gas models for Avalon, and hybrid is different, but we'll go over that with you if you're interested when you come in. We've got the LED lights, red pinstriping starting here in the front, red in the wheels, and then the side skirt here matches really well with the splitter there in the front. The red carries through into the interior of this vehicle. We've got the red inside the doors here on the front dash, on the seats. We also have the red seat belts and embroidered headrests. There's a lot of technology there in the front, and we'll go over that here in a little while. You can see all that space in there. The space just carries on through here to the back. We've got power back here for your passengers as well as vents, and of course the JBL sound system, so it carries through the vehicle. Lots of space. We're going to take a look here at the back. We've got the TRD badging as well as exhaust tips. We've got the backup camera. We've got the LED lights that go all the way across, and this aggressive sporty diffuser as well. And we'll just pop this open. We've got the full spare tire back here, as well as tons of space. You don't even need an SUV anymore. This is great. We don't have to deal with any inflator kit. You've got that tire back there, which is fantastic. I'm glad that we're sticking with that. We've got this sporty spoiler here on the back. And let's take a look here at the TRD wheels. These 19-inch wheels are specific to the TRD trim level, and you can also see that it has the red painted calipers with the large rotors for greater stopping power. And then of course we've got the standard blind spot monitoring and as well as keyless entry. So you're just going to keep that in your pocket. You're just going to push these lines right here. It's going to lock the doors. If you want to get in, you just grab the door handle and open that right up. Here for the driver's seat, we've got the red stitching. We've got the power adjustments with lumbar support. And on the classic steering wheel, we've got the red stitching in there as well. The interior in the TRD Avalon is going to function just like our other Avalons. However, it's going to have that sportier feel. We've got the sunroof, as well as Safety Connect here right at your fingertips, as well as an auto dimming mirror and 3 garage options. We've got a 10-inch touchscreen, which is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Apple CarPlay. We have the dual zone climate control with the heated seats and 3 different levels of heat. We have the Qi charging station down here, which is great for compatible phones. And we also have the TRD stamped here in the shifter, and you do have the ability to shift manually if you choose. We have 3 driving options, Eco, Normal, and Sport, along with the electric parking brake. Up here on the steering wheel, we've got paddle shifters, as well as here on the right, we have the ability to turn off that lane departure alert and also use the dynamic cruise control. Here on the left, we have audio and voice commands. And then we also have the digital display for speed, as well as navigation. A lot of what's here for the driver is also in the infotainment center. And then down here, we have the ability to turn on or off some of those Toyota Safety Sense safety features. Now that we've taken a look at the TRD Avalon, let's take a quick glance at the limited trim level. If you're looking for a less aggressive option, the Avalon limited trim level might be right for you. We've got a less aggressive front end, 18-inch alloy wheels, perforated leather with heated and ventilated seats, wood grain up there on the dash. We also have some heated seats back here for passengers, as well as a less aggressive but still very classy back end. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a test drive, we'd love to help you out. We've got plenty of Avalons here on the lot, so just give us a call or find us online at rudyluthertoyota.com.